Good, everybody, and welcome back to another video today. My name is Marybeth Angelelli. I'm going to kick this video off by bringing you into one of our proof and testimonial groups, one of our newer groups here for this amazing opportunity, because I just want to show you what's possible if you put your mind to it, if you show up every single day, commit, be consistent, following the training, the blueprint. We give you everything you need inside of this amazing opportunity by simply following the six-figure social media blueprint. Okay? And first off, we're going to just show you some members that are using the training. They've plugged into it. They've gone out. They've decided that it's time to take massive action. They've done just that by applying and implementing the simple, newbie-friendly, user-friendly training. Okay? So let me go here. Here's Julia. Now we have other opportunities within this group. For the purpose of just today's video, I'm just going to hone in and focus on the ones for this opportunity using the six-figure blueprint. So we have Julia welcoming a new team member to the group. Okay, so this earned Julia a $300 commission. Now her new team member is going to be positioned and he's going to be able to earn up to $300 commissions. We have three different product package levels, a 50, a 150, and a 300. Okay. We get to keep all of the money, 100% of the commission, and we get to get paid through our favorite payment processor or processors. Here's Mark. He's showing what happened. He woke up to another $300 commission and he stated that he just loves that sleep money. And that's what's possible when you get started, because this is a very automated system. We have a video that does all the telling, selling, and explaining for us so we don't have to. So that even gets really fun, okay, and super exciting. Okay, and we have Anne. She is welcoming a new team member to the IPS team. Okay, here's Brianna. She's welcoming another new team member, pro level, $300 commission that she just earned as well. We have Julia. She's welcoming a new team member. Okay, pro level. So now her new team member can earn up to $300 commissions, and she just earned a $300 commission. All right. Here's Mark. He's welcoming a new team member, pro level. Those are all $300 commissions, by the way. Okay. Rebecca, she is celebrating her new win of another $300 commission. And here's what she says. This program is life-changing. It's changing lives, mine included. Okay. And look what she said. In this image, she wrote very beginner friendly. The training, folks, it's simple, it's step by step, it's broken down into short, step by step guided video training tutorials. Super user friendly, very beginner friendly. This entire system was actually created for the newbie marketer in mind. But people from all walks of life, it doesn't matter where you've came from, where you are right now, what your skill level is, what your education level is, none of that matters, folks. This training, you can start from scratch and you can build yourself a very successful business, especially as we enter into the new year, 2023, right around the corner, folks. Never been a better time to get started than now, today, okay? So let me just show you a few more of these. I think you're probably getting the idea by now. Rebecca, look, she's welcoming a new pro level member, okay? We have Amanda. She is also welcoming a new pro level member. Majority of people do join at the pro level because that's where you get the greatest value, content, and training, positioning yourself to receive the maximum commissions. Unlimited 50s, 150s, and 300. And if you come in at 300, you get the two lower levels included. So you get the max benefits, the max package compensation-wise, product-wise, and potential-wise. Okay? So let's just show a couple more here. Paul, welcoming a new team member right here. Okay, pro level. We have, let me just give a couple more. Okay, Shayna, she just got another commission. Looks like $150, elite. All right. Ashley, welcoming another new pro level team member. Here we go. Trisha, welcoming another new pro level member. All right. And let's do, okay, Paul. here was having lunch when this one came in. Okay, $300 pro level. So Paul was out enjoying a wonderful lunch, and he had a $300 commission show up, folks. And that is the power and potential and possibilities of what can happen with the system, because it's largely automated. We have a great video presentation on our sales page that literally does all of our telling, selling, and explaining for us. We have our payment buttons on there. So if somebody goes through the system, they review the info, they watch the presentation, they like what they see, they like what they hear. They can be doing this any time of the day or night and going down, selecting the product package of their choice, clicking the buy button that's on our sales page, and that's how we get paid. Direct member to member, and the money gets transferred directly to us, deposited into our bank accounts, okay? Really super simple. Look, Kelly, she's welcoming a new team member to the group, to the team, and I'll just leave off probably with this one right here, Steve. Okay, another new pro level. So I think you hopefully get the gist of this, folks, that this system is real. These are real people sharing real testimonials using a real system with real training. Just following the blueprint, folks. Never want to reinvent the wheel. Don't want to deviate outside of the system. Just follow the tested and proven system that's been working, that's been going strong since March of 2021. Now, allow me to bring you inside of my back office, because you might be wondering to yourself, well, what is the six-figure blueprint? What are these people doing? What are they using to earn these consistent commissions? Well, here we go, folks. Here is the back office where I am going to log in, okay, to the paid members, IPS Pro membership training up to pro level, okay? Pro level, which is $300. So we log in here with our email address and our password. Okay, log into account, and this brings us into our training, okay, where you're going to learn how to become your own boss through the Infinity Processing System back office training. You can see this is the IPS membership area, and everything that you could ever need or want is literally right here at your fingertips, at your disposal. You just need to plug in, take action, complete the training successfully, go out and apply and implement it into the marketplace, okay? It combines everything on accessing or creating your own automated sales funnel, what to say if somebody asks you for information. So it takes the guesswork out of the equation, okay? Completely eliminates the stress and just makes life very easy, okay? Personal development, exactly what you need as well. And here's the greatest takeaway, folks. Giving you the content to literally copy, paste, and post. Comes complete with 200 pre-written ads and 60 bonus image ads. You never have to worry again or stress about creating your own content. You might say, well, I don't know how to create content. No worries, folks. No need to create content here. The content is here ready to go for you to literally copy, paste, and post. Okay? Following the 7-day action plan for success, we give you different high traffic websites that you can use for free to copy, paste, and post. You can choose whichever platform you want, whatever you like. Facebook Marketing Mastery. And there's, of course, purchase. You can purchase paid traffic now. It's not required. You see here, folks, it's optional, but it's an easy way to build your business faster and scale up this business faster. So if you come into this business, and if you have some resources to use right out of the gate, I recommend doing it. Why not, folks? It's only going to work to your benefit. It's going to increase your lead flow, and by increasing your lead flow, it's going to allow you to expose more people to this amazing opportunity by them visiting your website, building your email list, and being able to convert a percentage of those new subscribers onto your list from your funnel into paid signups, getting you paid, okay? Very easy. Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, TikTok marketing, how to automate the business with your six-figure system by plugging into the follow-up email series. Everything is here, folks. Resources, tools, ad copy, information, training, okay? Don't reinvent the wheel. Don't deviate outside of the system. Just follow the tested and proven system that's been working very well, just like a charm since March of 2021. Members are joining every single day, using this, showing up, completing this training, applying and implementing it, and winning in a great great big way, as I just showed you, okay? There's some great, great bonuses as well. And if you come in now, I am going to also add my own bonuses this month in November between now and that final end of the month, November 30th, okay, to be exact, to help to give you a nice boost and jumpstart your results and success with Infinity Processing Systems. So connect with me. My personal cell is going to be listed below. Text or call me. The best way to reach me at 330-787-1795. Let me just show you a real quick snippet of what this looks like. For today's video, I've already showcased the YouTube and the, what else did I do? I think I might have did the Craigslist. So wanted to just come in here. Oh, I think I'm sorry. I did the YouTube and I did the Facebook. So I'm going to show you what the Instagram marketing looks like. Okay. So if you want to learn Instagram, that's another place where you can take those ads, pre-written ads, and copy and paste them. Okay. And here it is. The Instagram intro video. You'll watch this. Then you'll move here, and you complete one video. You go back, and you just go through the series. And if you need to go back, folks, and for whatever reason, rewatch it till you fully grasp and digest the content, take notes if you desire. However you learn, whatever learning and whatever environment you learn best in, folks. These videos aren't going anywhere. They're here for you at your fingertips, at your disposal. You can plug into these any time of the day or night, 24/7. Go through them if you need to watch them a second time, a third time. And then once you've completed all of the Instagram training, there's 10 videos in all. If you are interested in wanting to learn Instagram and use it to help you to generate income with IPS or any other business, folks, it's here for you, right at your disposal. Okay? Tips for better hashtags, that's video number 3. Tips to grow your audience faster, that's another video, number 4. In this video series of Instagram marketing. Video number 5, create consistency for your growth, okay? Create a strong brand, very important. How to sell the dream, that's video number 7. All part of the Instagram marketing training tutorial series, okay? How to set up your winning account, right here, folks, all right? For Instagram, how to use influencer marketing, that's video 9. And last but not least, how to on Instagram without taking a single photo. So everything you need, folks, and you can use this to help you to turn and create a profit, create positive cash flow for yourself and for your family by using this to build, grow, and scale up your Infinity Processing System business opportunity. And what's even better, folks, one of the biggest takeaways is you can take this training and use it to your liking, to your benefit and advantage for any other online, internet-based, home-based business opportunity, okay? This is going to equip you with the skill set necessary to succeed online, giving you the skills to pay your bills, folks. It's helping so many people, especially in light of these challenging economic times out there, folks. The reason why we call this the six-figure blueprint at the pro level is because doing some simple math, $100,000 a year is what you need for 6 figures. That's what we consider 6 figures. Divide that by 365. How many days are in a year? That equates to $274. And just one of these sales a day or any combination, because at the 300 level, you're also going to be able to earn at the 50 and the 150. So just a single pro level a day or any combination setting you up for a $300 a day potential can help to position you to become a 6-figure a year income earner, giving you the potential by following this training within the 6-figure blueprint, which comes with the pro level. That's our $300 product package. We have the 150, which is our elite, and we have a $50 package, which is our basic. Get in where you fit in. You can always move up. You can always upgrade, but it's highly recommended that you start at the 300. That way you'll never miss out on a commission. You're going to get the greatest value and the most content to position yourself well for both short-term as well as long-term success. So I brought you here, folks, showed you the content, showed you the value, what those individuals that I showcased inside of our Proven Testimonials group are using and following by showing up every single day and putting in the time and the effort and the energy into their business. This is the training that's being followed. These are the ads that we are using right here to earn these wonderful commissions, folks. Imagine even if you only got one $300 commission a week, okay, starting out, that would potentially set you up for an extra $1,200 a month. You have to ask yourself, what and how could I benefit from an extra $1,200 a month, folks? That could do a lot for a lot of people, especially this time of year. So just keep that in the back of your mind, folks. My link to my website is below, yoursuccessblueprint.net. Head on over to yoursuccessblueprint.net, enter your information. You'll be redirected to my sales page. Watch the video, review the information, scroll down so you can review the product package. You have to scroll down to see the 3 product package options. Choose the one that's best for you. You'll see my buy now button. I do accept debit and credit cards for your convenience, as well as Cash App, okay? And as soon as I receive that payment, I'm going to turn around, send you a welcome email. It's going to give you access to your system, your back office, your training, everything you need to be set up. I'm going to also give you access to the bonuses. Connect with me at 330-787-1795 so that I can help you to jumpstart your results and your success with IPS this month, November 2022. Okay, got some great things waiting for you on the other side of this amazing business, but you have to connect with me, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you soon on the inside and seeing and hearing your testimonial inside of our Proof and Testimonial groups very soon. You'll be added to that group when you become a new paid member, and you're also going to be added to our coaching group, our 7-figure coaching group as well. So that's going to give you more value and more training to equip you with full knowledge of how to take this business, truly scale up, take it to the next level, and start earning a wonderful online income, giving you that potential. This is a powerful system, folks. It's simple, yet it's very user-friendly. Nothing high-tech, folks. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to master the training within, folks. It is super easy to follow and navigate. You just have to get started. Join, get started, complete the training, and then take action with it. Apply it and implement it into one or more of these platforms, folks, for best results, and start generating leads. And the system will kick in and do what it does best, folks, in helping you earn commissions. Thank you so much for allowing me to come back today and bring you inside once again and share with you more continued results and more great value and content through the training. Thank you so much. Click the link below, go to yoursuccessblueprint.net, text or call me, my personal cell's listed, and let's get you started today. Bye for now. Take care. Bye-bye.